Yeah, that's a good question. By far, the easiest way to get started with Comet is our Comet-Hosted service. What's great about Comet-Hosted is we're going to take care of everything for you. We host it for you, we manage all the updates and everything of the management console for you, and you just log in and go. So with Comet-Hosted, you can get up and running your backups in probably 15 minutes or less. There's no need to host or maintain your own management console. We're going to take care of everything for you. You just log in and go. Aside from the agent, there's nothing additional you actually need to install and maintain to run Comet. And you're always automatically updated to whatever our latest quarterly release is. So you know you're up to date, everything's going to be working great. Comet-Hosted can also be fully rebranded to suit whatever your requirements might be. With Comet-Hosted, you have flexible cloud storage options. You can utilize our very own Comet storage or bring your own cloud storage for secure direct-to-cloud backups. All your data is compressed, encrypted, and deduplicated directly on your endpoint before it's sent to your storage as well. Whatever your backup needs might be, Comet has a great solution for you. If you'd like to talk about this a bit more, just go to cometbackup.com and click on the big red Speak to Sales button.